We're answering guests' frequently asked questions about discounting stays. Jim is so kindly asking for a last-minute deal, and he is a repeat guest.
Jim, we would be thrilled to have you back. What sort of budget are you looking to stay within for this trip?
I'm a young professional heading into town for a new work contract. Would love to stay a week, potentially longer for a month if I like the neighborhood. Would you be willing to let me stay for $750 for the first week?
Well, hello, Pete. We're so excited you considered our space for your longer term stay. We are absolutely willing to work within a win-win agreement for a longer stay. Let's discuss in further detail.
My boyfriend and I are heading to town to visit my parents. We will be at their home most of the time. We'll barely be at your place. We will not make a mess at all. Can you work with us and reduce the cleaning fee?
Hello, potential guest. While I understand you have every intention on being an amazing guest and you won't be at the apartment often, I hope you can understand that we do pay our cleaning team a fair living wage, and for them to show up to the property and give it the proper care it needs to bring it back to the cleaning standards for another guest to arrive, we are unfortunately unable to budge on our cleaning fee.
I see you have a minimum night stay of 2 nights over the weekend. However, I'm only coming into town for 1 night. I'd be willing to pay more. Is this something that we can work on together?
I quickly look at the guest profile and see they have 20 positive past reviews, are not local, and look like a great potential guest. To that I respond with, well, hello, potential guest. We would love to consider you for a 1-night stay. Would you consider this rate for your 1-night stay?
Hello, I see you have a minimum 2-night stay. However, I'm coming into town and I only need a 1-night stay over the weekend. I'd be willing to pay more. Can we work on this together?
And the answer is...
I look at the guest profile and I see they just joined Airbnb, have no past reviews, positive or negative, and I'm just seeing a few red flags here. So I'm gonna respond like this. Hello, well, I'm so thankful you reached out to stay with us. We unfortunately do have to stick to our 2-night policy. We encourage you to find another place to stay that may have a smaller minimum over the weekends. Good luck on your search.
Hello, super excited about my upcoming trip. I am a fellow host. Wanted to see if you could help a host out with a discount.
Well, hello, fellow host. I see that you're asking for what equates to be about a 10% discount for this day. As a fellow host, I'd be happy to help you out there. Meanwhile, I did my homework and I'm still profitable to have this guest stay at this rate.
Hello, just checking in. I stayed with you last year, loved my stay, wanted to stay again, but I see the rate is significantly higher this year.
Well, when you stayed with us last year, it wasn't during this holiday. Now you're staying during this holiday, and unfortunately, the rate is competitive to other rentals in our area. We hope you understand.
Of spending $200 per night.
Okay, this failed. This backfired on me.
Here we go.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, action.
Well, did I say a name last time? Is that what you say?